Our viewer question today is about calories. And they ask, do we need to eat more calories on a plant-based diet, or are there any suggested limits?
Oh, what a wonderful question. And I've got to be careful not to wade into the weeds on all of this. The beauty of a plant-based diet is that you really can eat, there's no limit on how many times you go back to the salad bowl or the fruit bowl or the pick the veggies, pick a vegetable, pick a dish that you'll find at a vegan banquet, and outside of ones that are just dripping with oil and some flour product or whatever, if they're whole plant foods, if they're really soups and salads and steamed veggies, they're mostly fiber and water. When you talk about how many calories are in that big helping of broccoli, 30, 50, 100 maybe, but there's so many other good nutrients in there, all the fiber and the potassium, the magnesium and the vitamins, and there's protein. The calories on a whole food plant-based diet are not only of minor importance because the calorie density is so low on whole fruits and vegetables, but these are clean burning calories. The calories that are going to be in the starch in the potato or the starch in the barley that you're eating, that's mostly glucose, which is metabolized like that, or you turn as a carbon dioxide that you breathe off, and water that your kidneys eliminate. These are clean burning calories. No matter how many they are, they really are not going to turn into fat on you. So all the way around, when it comes down to how many calories in a whole food plant-based meal or whatever, on some level the answer is who cares? Whether it's 1,800, 2,200, as I said, most of them you burn off as heat. They don't turn into fat. And most of what's filling up your belly there is fiber and water that's passing on through. It's not really part of you. So enjoy the calories. There's a significant amount of folks who have a hard time keeping their weight on because the calorie density is so low. So by and large, as long as you're eating whole plant foods, stay away from the oils, from the flour products, certainly from the hidden dairy, etc. If you keep your belly full of whole plant foods, the weight's going to melt off of you. You can't. It's really hard to hold weight on a whole food plant-based diet, and so you keep your tummy full of those whole plant foods, and the weight will melt away. And if after 6 months or a year on that kind of diet you have problems losing weight, contact me for consultation. I'm available through plantbasedtelehealth.com, and I'll invite anyone who wants to make a consultation with me. Go to plantbasedtelehealth.com, and we could talk about it. But whole plant foods are the way to go if you want to lose weight. Good question. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Dr. Michael Klaper here, announcing our new format for our Q&A with Dr. K. Each day, Annie Hagen will be asking me one question that's been sent in by our viewers. So if you want to see if your question is getting answered, do join us for our daily Q&A with Dr. K right here. Hope to see you then.